Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make this blueberry with crochet. To make this blueberry I have used single crochet stitches, and to make the leaf I have used single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet stitch. So before we start how to make this blueberry, I would request you guys to please like and subscribe to my channel so you get to know my more creation and ideas with crochet. So let's see what all you need to make this blueberry. So to make the blueberries you will need a blue colored thread. I'm going to use this thin cotton thread, and to make the leaf you will need a green color. For this thread I am going to use crochet hook of size 2.5 mm. You will need some fiber filling to do the stuffing. You will need one stitch marker, needle and one scissor. So let's see how we are going to make this blueberries. First make a magic ring. You can get a detailed video how to make a magic ring in my previous videos. We are going to make 6 single crochet stitches into that ring. So chain 1 and make 6 single crochet stitches. 1, 2. After 6 single crochet stitch, pull this thread to close the ring. Make a slip stitch to complete this round. To start round 2, into the top of first single crochet stitch we are going to make 2 single crochet stitch. 1 and 2. I'm going to put this stitch marker into the first single crochet stitch of second round. Now make 2 single crochet stitches into the rest of the single crochet stitch. So at the end you will have total 12 stitches. So after 12 single crochet stitch, to start round number 3, first we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch. Then into the next stitch make 2 single crochet stitch. Put the marker into your first single crochet stitch of round 3. So you have to follow this pattern: 1 single crochet stitch into the next stitch, then into the next stitch make 2 single crochet stitch. So at the end of round 3 you will have 18 single crochet stitch. So 18 single crochet is done at the end of round 3. Now in round number 4, 5, 6 and 7 we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch in each of these stitches. So make 1 single crochet stitch in each of the top of single crochet stitch from the previous round. Put the marker in your first single crochet stitch. So at the end of round number 7 you will have 18 single crochet stitch. So at the end of round 7 this will looks like this. Now to start round number 8, first we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch. Put the stitch marker. After 1 single crochet stitch we are going to make 1 decrease. So to to do the decrease, take your hook into the first single crochet stitch, grab the yarn and pull through that single crochet stitch, then into the next single crochet stitch, take your hook, grab the yarn and pull through that stitch. So you will have 3 loops in your hook. Now grab the yarn and pull through all 3 loops at a time. So you have done a decrease of with 2 single crochet stitches. Then after one decrease we are going to make 1 single crochet stitch again. Now again we are going to do 1 decrease of 2 single crochet stitches. So you have to follow this pattern, 1 single crochet stitch, then 1 decrease. So at the end of round 8 you will have 12 single crochet stitches. So once you complete the round number 8, just pull this thread. Here we are going to fill this with some fiber. To start round number 9, we are going to make 1 decrease. So like this you have to make 6 decreases. So at the end you will have 6 single crochet stitches. In round number 10 you have to work. So this is your stitch and this is the back loop, this is the front loop. So we are going to work into the front loop. Now take the front loop of next stitch, make a slip stitch first, make chain 1 and make 3 half double crochet stitches. One, 2, and 3. Make a slip stitch. Now into the next stitch take a front loop and make a slip stitch, chain 1, then again make 3 half double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now make a slip stitch. So like this you have to make 4 more stitches. Like into the next stitch make a slip stitch, chain 1 and make 3 half double crochet stitches, then make a slip stitch. So you have to work into the front loop of this single crochet stitches. So total 6 stitches you will make at the end of round number 10. So at the end of round just make a slip stitch, chain 1 and pull this thread and cut the extra thread. So this is done. Now we are going to make the leaf. To make the leaf, take your hook to the center like this. Now attach this thread. Now attach the green color thread. chain 1. Now make chain 15. After chain 15, make a slip stitch to the starting chain. So after slip stitch, we are going to make chain 10. Now I skip the first chain and into the second chain make a slip stitch. Then into the next chain make a single crochet stitch. Into the next chain make 1/2 double crochet stitch. Into the next 3 chain make 1 double crochet stitches. After 3 double crochet into the next stitch make 1/2 double crochet stitch. Then make 1 single crochet stitch. Make 1 slip stitch to complete. So now into the second side, opposite side, you just have to repeat the same stitches. Make 1 slip stitch, then 1 single crochet, then 1/2, then 3 double crochet stitch, 1/2 double crochet stitch, 1 single crochet stitch, and at the end make chain 1 and slip stitch. So after chain 1, cut the thread and pull this. Now I'm going to secure this thread. Blueberry is ready. So I hope you have learned from this video how to make this crochet blueberry. If you have any questions or query, please do let me know in comment section. You can also connect to me through my Insta and Facebook page. I will give you the link in description box. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.